Okay guys, so once you have already verified your account, you have already verified it, all right, and you can make a deposit. So I'll show you my next how you can deposit to your Exness account in my next coming video. This video show you guys how can you connect your account together. So even on Exness, they have already show you guys, give you your MT5 login. This is your account number, right, as an example, and you can see then this is your server, all right, and the leverage is just 1:200, and this is your login. This is your no account number login. Then but before you can do that, make sure you change your password first. Make sure you change your password of login. Click on here and change it. The password must be a capital, a number, wherever, a capital letter and a small letter and number and character like hash and something. Let me just do right now. All right, so I've already done it. Then let me just click on change password. All right, then they need to send you a code to your, all right, to your email. So you'll just go and check your email. They will send a code to your email. All right, so let me just go and check the code on the email. Then you have to just make sure to paste the code here. Paste that code. Can you see confirm? Then the password has been fully changed. All right, so the next step right now is to just make sure to go to your Play Store. Let me show you how you can download the app on your Play Store. So right now, this is your Play Store. Just search for MT5. All right, this is MT5. All right, then you're gonna open it. Open the MT5 on your Play Store. You can accept wherever, all the stuff. This one is just normal. So let me just right now, if you want to connect your account, click on, okay, let me just show you so that you can understand how you can get about. Click on this particular area on that left corner. Click on that area, then click on this get started, where you can connect the account. Then click on this area. All right, then now you need to just go to your account here. You need to just go to your account here to copy your server. This is the server. This is the Exness server 2, and you see, copy it. Then you go back to that particular account. Then you find where the right find a broker. Click on find, paste it there. You can see it has bring you Exness. All right, then you're gonna try to put it there. Then right now you need to go back again and copy your account number, and this is your account number. And don't forget the password you create, that is the one you are going to use to register to log in. Then you're gonna try to put in the login, the account number here. Then the password you create for your MT5. Let me show you the area again. This particular area, you know that this area you changed your password recently, right? The password you change is not your login password for your account, for your Exness account. So this password is for your MT4, sorry, it's for your MT5 account. Don't forget, it's for your what? MT5 account. You can change it to your desire. It's different from your login password on your Exness account. This password is for your MT5 account. Don't forget. Click, you can change it. So right now, let me just use the password I just changed. Let me just go. So right now, let me just try to insert the password. So let me just try it and log in to see. So right now, let me just try to log in and see. All right, you can log in. Let's see. You can see the account has been fully, you can see, login. You can see, then you can see this is how you can see all your charts, your code, your everything. And you see, then this is your account. Then you can even desire to change the name. Just go to your account. You can try to rename. So if you want to get the access to your own, click on this area to change the name. You can put your add nickname. You can just say you can change it to anyone you like it. You can just change it to add nickname. You can say you can even put your name. You can say FS Gold, anything, your nickname, whatever. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna click on continue. Then the password is being You can see the name has been changed. All right, you can see FS Gold. When you come to your MT5, you're gonna see, can you see the name has been changed to FS Gold. So this is how you can log into your, connect to your account together with Exness and your MT5. So when you make a deposit, all your money will show in this particular area. So in my next coming video, I'll show you guys how you can place a trade, how you can trade with your, but this video just show how can you connect your account with, how can you connect our account with your with what, with MT5. This is the main of this video. So like and share this video. Thank you. Bye.